This is a Shark Steam and Scrub all-in-one scrubbing and sanitizing hard floor steam mop. It has two modes, two dirt grip soft scrub pads that are included. It has an extra large tank and you fill the water just like so. And when you pull it back and push the button, it will automatically start spinning. I have two birds, and this is where the bird pooped. So we're going to see how well it works with just steam. So it's sanitizing, it cleans really, really well. Check it out. I sped this up just because I think I made the video too long, but this is really nice.